Better hurry up while the car is still there.
You decided you wanted to ride again. No one else is on
You gotta be an opportunist.
Jimmy, you track standing.
I recently knew I might miss it.
Well, I guess we better hurry up so they can dispatch.
I didn't know if there'd be time for that.
You have an exclusive ride time later, so you can go back and take photos then if you want to.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thanks.
I think this will be the last one.
Okay, yeah. Perfect.
No paparazzi.
It can only be as pretty as this.
Oh, here they go. We get good pictures. The girls come around, huh?
Like, you know, when the smiley face is like...
Yeah.
Funny.
We do, but not very often. So this is something we always done it once. Before COVID, we did it regularly.
So is this basically just like a or is he going to give us a show? Just a
If someone wants to, you can go into the garage area. It's fine. Yep.
Okay.
Well, let's do that.
Yeah. Mind your step. It's a little bit. It's a little bit tricky.
Tricky, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It's a little bit unexpected.
Interesting. Ooh, bottom of RMC. Oh, there's shock absorbers. Oh, this is to keep the
This one has steel.
steel wheels. So it's a more of a traditional wood almost.
Yeah, just sit in this row if you want like it to feel like Outlaw Run. I never knew they housed the pneumatic cylinders underneath a train like this.
So what do those do?
Those control the locking mechanisms for the lap bars.
Oh, so they're underneath.
Four there, 4 lap bars.
Again, the brake fins are on the bottom.
Yeah.
The 3 set of wheels, okay. Interesting.
I love these layout boards. They're so fun. They're so cool.
Reminds me of like little like planning things for like miniature bottle railways and stuff.
Interesting.
There's some pneumatic cylinders from RMC right here. They got the RMC stamp on them and everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, wow.
That's cool.
RMC parts.
Wheels, yeah, with train parts, seat pads.
right? So some of these are steel and some of them are polyurethane.
Yeah, maybe they, maybe this one needs to be replaced. I don't know, because this ride does run with the polyurethane instead of steel.
Except for that car.
It's like that and Goliath, the Great American run with the polyurethane rather than steel.
Oh, okay.
So they feel a little less herky-jerky than a
Standard wood. Okay. So Allo runs steel, right?
Yeah, Allo runs steel. You definitely, yep. Notice it.
Everywhere.
Brick room microwave.
Oh, and toaster oven.
You're right. I couldn't see it fully.
So it sits on the up stuff list.
Yeah, it's interesting. I think it's only B&M that doesn't.
Yeah.
Some are metal, while others are
Polyurethane, yeah.
polyurethane.
It's only this one for some strange reason.
One year at Dollywood, they had a bunch of these and we gave them out to everyone.
No.
They had all used ones left and right here.
So they're going to chunk them anyways, I guess.
What's that? They'll wear.
They'll wear.
They go on the sides of the body and they run.
So they replace them every once in a while. Then.
Yeah, they go for them all.
Interesting.
Of course, inside the mat, we made a big deal about, I don't remember what RMC, one of the RMCs, one of those pads fell off the seat. And inside the Magic was like, oh my god, the French one.
It is.
You know, inside the Magic.
But it's supposed to do that.
Where to go, I'm sorry.
Oh, we're.
In order for the ventilation to work, the door must be touched to the closed.
Is that what that says?
So the ventilation is not working. Going back to Limbo. RMC Limbo. There's a logo right there.
You're scared. Charm up, straight up. Well, that's, there you go. There we go. Like those little hands, those little hands. Well, it's funny, I remember when we went to Glenwood Caverns, and there was one of the roller coasters, and they're like, you know, you guys are really sure, just stick them out, just do baby. They said. So from now on, anytime we like,
S'more.
Short inches everywhere, and it's a little bit dirty also. So you find on our map for the climbing inspections.
Oh, that's a climbing inspection.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the orange is for the foundations and wood, and the green is for the steel tracks.
Ah.
And all these numbers you see, 15, -1, -2, and that is the date.
Oh.
So that's the 15th of February that they climbed that specific area. So we have 2 to 3 climbers climbing for 10 weeks every spring, and they start in February, and the weather in Sweden in February is very bad.
Oh. Yes.
It's always snowing and raining and a lot of wind. It's a very tough job.
So not pleasant weather.
No, but it's fun as well.
Okay.
It's not your job though, is it?
Yeah, I only do the more complex climbing, like the drop area and the lift hill. So I've had other people doing the main track. So, but my specialty is actually the cable car.
The cable car. Okay.
Yeah. So I only help out here in the daily controls and the climbing.
Would you happen to know why one of the wheels is steel?
Yeah, for speed.
Oh, for speed. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
So, interesting. Yeah, they're all probably that one's steel. Yes.
So I wonder if that ride is bumpier.
These blue cylinders underneath the train, and we have 2 cylinders for each lap bar. Even though no one has failed here in Sweden, on opening day back in 2016, I believe it was, we were here. Everyone was super excited because now we're finally going to open the ride. So we started climbing in 4 in the morning to climb all the track, and we came here. And then all the managers stood over there and were very long faces and very sad because the train was grounded because one of the cylinders failed on one of the tracks. So we were grounded. So we had to change all 96 of them.
Oh.
And it was already delayed. So
How long did that take?
A week, something like that.
Yeah.
No, you can take the cylinders out fairly easy, but still a long time. And we had to wait for the bars to get here. And one of these is $1,800.
Oh.
That was RMC problem.
Yeah.
It's very sad because we were supposed to open it.
Good quality manufacturing. Backyard.
What are you leaving?
Because it was a brand new song.
Wow. Whoever supplied the cylinder.
RMC.
He doesn't make the cylinder.
I think they contracted them. There was a time where they didn't. Maybe this was before they did it. Because now they get it.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay, Arnold, here we go. I'll take a view. And, okay, hopefully one of them came out. Take care.
All of these items that you property must be placed on the other side of the train before you're seated. Down the